With these trade show tips, Godfrey Group can make your trade show successful. Let us help you capture the attention of potential customers in a busy trade show environment. Number 1, put your best foot forward. Don't use tired and dated exhibits. Use your marketing budget to update your presentation. Old and tired exhibits reflect poorly on your business. Number 2, shed some light on things. A well-lit exhibit draws attention, so potential customers see a warm and inviting trade show booth. These trade show tips are easy to overlook, but a dark booth is more likely to be ignored by potential customers. Consider a backlit display, a guaranteed attention grabber. Number 3, don't crowd your space. Don't crowd your space to the point that it becomes uninviting. Godfrey Group can assist you by producing 3D renderings and floor plans. Number 4, keep it simple. Less is more with trade show graphics. Do not overload your graphics with copy. Use bold graphics and keywords to grab your customers' attention rather than long strings of copy and lists of bullet points. For assistance and more trade show tips, visit godfreygroup.com or call 800-789-9394.